Have you ever wondered how important it is to live a green life? How transforming our homes into sustainable living spaces might be one of the most impactful decisions we could make for our planet? Well, today we delve into that journey, simplifying the process and making it attainable for everyone. Scene script. Imagine starting in the heart of the home, the kitchen. It's here where small changes can make a significant difference. Switching to reusable containers instead of disposable ones and buying locally sourced produce not only reduces our carbon footprint, but also supports local businesses. Next, consider the living spaces in our homes. Energy conservation is key here. Choosing LED lighting and unplugging appliances when not in use can cut down on energy usage significantly. It's a simple step, but one that can have a huge impact over time. Water, one of our most precious resources, needs our attention too. In the bathroom, installing water-saving fixtures and being mindful of our usage can make a big difference. It's about making conscious decisions that help conserve this vital resource. Even our sleeping spaces can reflect our environmental commitment. Choosing sustainable materials for bedding and furniture ensures a comfortable, planet-friendly sleep. From organic cotton sheets to eco-friendly mattresses, every choice matters. So what have we learned today? That transforming our homes into sustainable living spaces doesn't have to be complicated. It starts in the kitchen, extends to our living and sleeping spaces, and even includes our bathrooms. Every room in our home can contribute to a more sustainable lifestyle. Remember, small steps lead to big changes. By adopting these green practices, we not only improve our lives, but also contribute to a healthier planet. Join us next time as we explore more depths of green living. Until then, stay eco-friendly and inspired.